During this holiday season, our Scorpion family reflects on our commitment to helping other community members achieve their dream of earning a college education.
This year, we proudly opened the TSC Legal Center, providing new resources for our students and the community.
We continue to grow our dual enrollment programs, providing free tuition and fees to high school students, and many of them earn an associate's degree even before graduating from high school.
We reaffirmed our commitment to keeping a college education within reach for families by ensuring Texas Southmost College remains the most affordable institution of higher education in the entire Rio Grande Valley.
We also enhanced our academic pathways, collaborating with universities, so our graduates can seamlessly continue their education after TSC.
We help families fast-track their ability to improve their quality of life through workforce training programs that lead directly to high-demand careers.
All this progress and more is made possible through the collaborative efforts of our trustees, faculty, staff, students, alumni, and community partners.
Remember, Texas Southmost College is your community college, and we are here to support our communities. From everyone at Texas Southmost College, we wish you a joyful holiday season.
Happy holidays!